Good morning, everyone, once again. Actually looking around the room, I see the people have quite literally made Hyderabad the pharmacy of the world. We have in the room the who is who of the Indian pharma, whether it is Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Arbindo, Hetero, and all Bharat Biotech, Indian Limnological. No need to name, there's so many companies. You're all representing this in the core of the industry, in the pharmacy of the world. And when we talk about the Telangana Pharma, we are not just talking about a local industry. We are talking about a global lifeline. But as I was driving over to the Green Business Center here this morning, I was thinking about how much our conversations have really changed over a period of time. Well, my friends, 10 years ago, if we had met, we'd be talking about volume, USFDA audits, and scale. Today, the word on everyone's lips is sustainability. People were wondering actually how the transformation has took place. And let's be very honest, for a long time, green was seen as a luxury and okay, nice to have the sticker on a corporate brochure. But as we stand here on January 30th, 2026, that is today, it's no longer a choice, my dear friends. As my chairman was saying, it is our license to operate. Well, we are in a unique position here in Telangana. From the bustling units in Pashamailaram and Jirimetla to the sophisticated laboratories in Janam Valley and the upcoming Pharma City, we have the entire value chain in our backyard. Telangana has always been a pioneer. We were the first to embrace massive bulk drug infrastructure. Now, we have to be the first to decouple that growth from environmental impact as well, my friends. Well, when the world look at Hyderabad, they should not just see the low-cost manufacturing. They should see high-value, low-impact innovation. The journey has already begun, my dear friends. We are not far away. Only the commitment is required and determination is required from each one in this audience. We have the talent, we have the state support, as we'll hear from Dr. Sarvesh Singh later on, and we certainly have the grit as well. Well, the core theme, we are talking about the green chemistry. Our theme today is building responsible, competitive, and future-ready pharma manufacturing. What does that actually mean for a plant manager or a CEO? It means a green chemistry, and it's not just about treating waste at the end of the pipe, my friends. That's the old way. It's about, in fact, in the session 1, immediately after the coffee break, it's a very important session. A lot of CEOs are coming to deliberate there. Designing the molecule so the waste never exists in the first place at all. Think about our solvent recovery. Think about flow chemistry. These are not just environmental projects, my friends. They are efficiency projects. Every liter of solvent we don't waste. Every kilowatt of energy we save in our HVAC systems. And every step we cut out of a synthetic pathway makes us more competitive. In today's global market, the big buyers in Europe and the US are not just asking about your price per kilo, my friends. Those days are gone. They're asking about your carbon per kilo. What they're asking? What's your carbon per kilo? If we do not answer that question today, we lose the market tomorrow. Please mind. And I want to challenge everyone in this audience today. During the coffee breaks or the sessions, don't just look at the technical slides. Ask how. And people like Dr. Origanti are there to answer. Experts in flow chemistry, green manufacturing, and so on. And how can we collaborate on zero liquid discharge? How can we make our supply chain circular? How can we, as a fraternity, share best practices instead of keeping them in silos? I think these are the questions we have to put to each other and extract the answers, the amicable answers, and work upon them in a journey. Sustainability is a team sport, my dear friend. There are a lot of sportsmen in this audience. If one of us figures out a way to reduce carbon footprint of an API, Deepak will be deliberating on that, it lifts the reputation of the entire Telangana Pharma brand, because Telangana is the bulk capital of India, and the future, the green manufacturing of India will be Telangana. We have a packed agenda, my dear friends. We'll hear from the legends like Mr. J. Chapra, as I already told, scientific leaders like Mr. Srinivas Oraganti. But the real value of today happens in your minds. Let's move away from the mindset of meeting regulations. We have a highest authority, the All India Deputy Drug Controller, Dr. Narendran is here, and move toward mindset of leading the revolution. Let's make sure that when people talk about green pharma, the first place they think of it, right here in Hyderabad. Let's make it happen. And thank you very much once again for being here. Let's make this a day of real and actionable change.